In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export orders from Wix Store. By the end, you'll have a clean file of your orders that you can use for accounting, reporting, or importing into other tools. First, head to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of sites. Click the store you want to work with under My Sites. If you manage multiple stores, take a second to confirm you're opening the correct one so your export reflects the right data. Next, open the dashboard for that store. The dashboard is your control center, and this is where all the management tools live. You'll find everything from products to payments here, but today we're focusing on orders. On the left-hand sidebar, click Orders. This takes you to a complete list of orders placed through your store. You'll see details like order number, customer, date, status, and payment method. If the list is long, remember you can sort columns to surface what you need faster. Before exporting, consider using filters if you only want a subset. You can filter by date to capture a specific month or quarter, by order status to isolate fulfilled or unfulfilled orders, or by payment method if you're reconciling a certain processor. Filtering keeps your export focused and can reduce file size, which is helpful when you're sharing or analyzing the data. By the way, since this is a website-based workflow, I've placed a direct link to the Wix website at the very top of the description so you can get there quickly. Now you're ready to export. Look toward the top right corner of the orders page and click Export. You'll be prompted to choose a format, CSV or Excel. CSV is a universal format that works with nearly any spreadsheet or analytics tool. Excel is great if you plan to work in Microsoft Excel and want to preserve native formatting. Pick the one that fits your workflow. Keep in mind that date, time, and currency formats typically follow your site or account settings, so check those if you need consistency across reports. Once your file downloads, save it to a secure, organized location on your computer. From there, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet app for analysis, share it with your accountant or team, or import it into other software like Bookkeeping, Inventory, or CRM tools. Since this file may contain customer information, store and share it responsibly to protect privacy. That's it. If this guide helped you, hit subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.